welcome back to my channel, Angel Lives. So today, you guys, I am in the kitchen. So today, you guys, I'm doing a recipe by Simply Mama Cooks. I believe it's called the Falling in Love Enchiladas. So go over and check out her channel. She has a great channel and she makes really great recipes. So I am going to get started. Okay, so here I have the 2 pounds of shrimp. I have some small to medium-sized shrimp. I have the lump crab meat. I have half a green pepper. And I also have half a red pepper. And I have half a red onion, and I have the white part of the green onion chopped. And there's the green part that I'm going to be adding later on. Okay, so here we have our seasonings. We have garlic powder, onion powder, ground black pepper, Old Bay, lemon pepper. We have our salt, and we have our minced garlic. Okay, so now we have our ingredients for our sauce. We have onion powder. We have 3 tablespoons of flour, 1½ cups of water, 3 tablespoons of butter, 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. We have the chili adobo sauce, and we have chicken bouillon. Okay, so here we have our cream sauce. Now this is going to go on, you're going to put a little bit of this on the bottom of the pan, and then you're going to put some on top of the enchiladas. Now what I did here is I started with the roux, which was the 3 tablespoons of butter, and I let that melt, and then I added in the 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, and I let it cook a little bit until it started to get that nice golden, like yellow color. I didn't want it to turn brown. And then I added in all the seasonings, and then I added in the water, and I stirred it till it was smooth, and then I added in the heavy cream. Okay, so here, this is just the process of passing the tortillas through oil just to soften them up so that they're easier to work with, and they become soft and they don't fall apart on you, or break, I should say. Okay, so here are the enchiladas all assembled. And what I did is I used about 17 tortillas, and I put a little bit of sauce on the bottom of the pan. And I'm actually going to be covering these with foil and putting them in a 425-degree oven for 25 minutes until they're done. Okay, guys, so it's out of the oven, and I'm going to take a bite and let you know how it is. How it looks on the inside. And I put a little sour cream on top. I didn't have any crema, so it's just sour cream. Guys, that is a yummy recipe. So again, head on over to Simply Mama Cooks or follow me however you want to do it, but she has the recipe, and she actually has it time-stamped so you know where each part starts at, which is awesome of her. So you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe, hit the bell to be notified, drop me a comment and let me know what you think, and I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.